Welcome back to our channel, New Look. We all know that the people with oily skin are prone to many skin problems like acne, large pores, blackheads and others. It is also difficult to take care of the oily skin and protect it from the infection. It is caused due to overactive oily glands that produce natural oil to keep the skin well moisturized. Hormonal changes, pregnancy, consumption of birth control pills, etc. may also cause to result in the oily skin. But don't worry, I have a solution to treat this oily skin with some natural homemade remedies. In this video, among them the best one is egg white. In this video, I gonna tell all about why and how this egg white is used for oily skin. So let's get started. Egg whites are great in dealing with the oily skin due to its amazing properties. It has a natural astringent property that helps to shrink and tighten up your large skin pores and thereby prevents the release of excessive sebum. It is effectively draws out all the impurities, excessive sebum and dead cells from the deep skin pores and makes you feel fresh with oily free skin. So now going into the process. After that I will tell you the more advantages of using this egg white serum. In this remedy we're gonna use two ingredients. The main one is egg white and the next one is lemon. Firstly, take the bowl, break the egg into two halves.